Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the device is online and you're signed into the Google account tied to the TV. Once connected, check storage and free around 100 MB if needed so the update can download. Now open the Google TV app from the home screen. This begins the update process. If an update is available, the app will show a prompt or an update button. Select it. You're initiating a download, so keep the device powered and on Wi-Fi until the next step. Once you tap Update, you'll see download progress. Keep the remote nearby and avoid heavy network use so speed remains steady. The app will then install automatically. This can take several minutes depending on size, so don't power off or unplug the TV. After installation, the system may prompt a restart. Accept it. Once the TV reboots, reopen Google TV and sign in again if requested. Doing this ensures updates apply cleanly and cached files refresh for the new version to run smoothly. You finish by verifying the new version. Go to Settings, About, then App Version to confirm the update applied. If features are missing or the app misbehaves, clear the app cache first and then restart the app. This often fixes leftover conflicts. If problems persist, uninstall and reinstall Google TV or check your network for packet loss. As a last resort, perform a factory reset, but backup preferences first. These steps resolve most issues and restore normal operation quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.